front of me is OUKITEL OKT1, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, you need to access device's settings and scroll all the way down. Now choose System, Languages and Input, on-screen keyboard, and finally Gboard. After that, click on Theme section over here, scroll down and select Show More. This way you will be able to see all the available keyboards. Click on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and select Apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, but this time tap on this plus icon under my themes. Then select the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. After that, you need to select Next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right over here, and finally select Done. Now manage key borders thanks to this switcher again, tap on Apply and go back. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!